Today, an oligarchy is taking shape in America of extreme wealth, power, and influence.
Oh my god, I told you so. I told you they were gonna do this. Like a week ago, when Rachel Maddow and the corporate media started talking about oligarchy, I made a video. This video, in case you wanted to watch it, I've pinned it, where I say that this is the new talking point, right? This is the new propaganda. They're going to start talking about oligarchy through the lens of the traditional left-right political narrative. The Republicans are doing an oligarchy. You better support the Democrats. We're the anti-oligarch party now. They're doing this to try and disrupt the growing sense of class consciousness that's growing organically. Oligarchy is already a word that's increasingly part of the collective conversation, but it's part of a narrative that's viewing society more through a top versus bottom kind of dynamic than the traditional left versus right. See, when you're in power, this kind of divide serves your interests. When you convince the people to divide themselves into two equal groups, they'll keep each other in check, which means meaningful change is less likely to occur. And obviously, if you're in power, you don't want the system to change because, well, that's the system that's giving you power. Now, this sort of divide is achieved by convincing people to focus more on sort of abstract ideological differences more than practical, tangible ones. Because when people start focusing on practical, tangible differences that actually apply to their everyday life, suddenly one group gets a lot bigger than the other, because these people's lives and these people's lives aren't the same. So when this sort of divide starts happening, change is imminent.